we drilled 27,000 metres last year at Mount York, which is now a 2.1 million ounce gold project. We see obvious signs to increase the resources again. And this year we've committed to over 50,000 metres of drilling. About 10% of that has actually been completed to date. So we are moving very quickly. We need to get more drill rigs to site. That's really the bottleneck at the moment, is to grow to 5 drill rigs on site, and we've got plans to do that. And really in terms of the mineral resource update, there's going to be 2 stages there. The first one is to provide a mineral resource estimate for the PFS, and that should occur this year. And then there's a larger resource update that will encompass the exploration and extensional drilling as well in the project. So we've got 2 stages there, and most of that work will actually be completed in 2026. Well, we're developing Mount York. That's our intention, is to develop this into a standalone gold mining operation. But to do that, we need people. So far, there's been 3 or 4 people full-time running the company, but the company has grown. We've grown in market capitalisation, we've grown in operations, and to conduct all of the activities that we want to do to grow the company into a mining company, we need good people. So we announced yesterday the appointment of Martin Reed, a very experienced mining executive, a mining engineer by background and a very experienced guy. We brought him on board to assist us with the development, the studies, the development and the construction of the project. So we welcome Martin. Rob Kluger's moved off the board into an executive role into the senior leadership team with Pilbara Gold. And we've also appointed Jeff Bowen as the study manager of the company. And Jeff comes from Samphire Resources, hugely experienced. And I think we've got a team that's second to none in Western Australia. I really do. Well, Roe Hills is, I guess, the second string to our bow. We're not just a one project company. We've always looked at Roe Hills from the point of view of it's an under-drilled target. It's actually a target with scale. And we do believe that with 12,000 metres of drilling that we're planning this year, we believe that we can get to a resource estimate or a resource estimation on that project. Again, hoping to complete that in 2026. So, in terms of growing the company, we want to grow resources. This is the point of the presentation today that I'm giving, is really to outline the strategy to grow resources for the company, because we know that growing resources for an exploration and development company like Pilbara Gold really assists in moving the share price in the right direction.